So today we're going to draw a giraffe dancing, just like the book Giraffes Can't Dance. Our paper is going to be vertical, which means up and down. We're going to have our first name, our last name, and our group number at the top. Then we flip our paper over, so our name is on the back. Once we start, we're going to do it pencil first, because it's kind of a hard drawing. And then we're going to draw over it in crayon, and then we're going to paint. So the first step is doing a circle, almost a little bit bigger than the size of your fist, in the middle of the paper. Now you're going to want to draw light so that you can erase. Once you do your circle, it doesn't need to be perfect because a giraffe isn't actually a perfect circle. It's a little lumpy, all right? So don't worry. We're going to do our neck. Our neck's going to come out the top of the paper and curve. You can make it as long as you want. I like to do it a little wider at the bottom where it meets the circle body, and a little skinnier at the top where there's a head. Then we're going to skip down and do legs. Now it's dancing, so you can do your legs going out like this. You can do them straight. You can do them both going to one side. You get to decide. But basically, we want it to be bigger here, skinnier here, and then it's got a little hoof. And I'm going to do, and the one over there I did both of them going this way. I'm going to do this one going this way. So, and then with arms, I did both of mine going this way on that one, but on this one I'm going to do just like the legs. The arms are kind of, they've got hooves, and they're a little fatter where they meet the body and skinnier as they go out. All right, and then the head is going to be an oval, a long oval, and then kind of like a triangle like this. And then what I do is I erase that line and it also has ears, 2 ears, and then it has these kind of like horn things. And I'm going to do a mouth coming like that, and 2 little nose holes. Okay, the ground is going behind my legs. Don't make the ground down here, because your legs have to be touching the ground. And then I'm going to do a moon. Now in mine I did the moon going behind the giraffe because I like the look of the giraffe being in front of the moon. So I do a circle that disappears behind that giraffe neck and comes around. And then I do spots. Easy enough, just kind of wiggly giraffe spots. I'm going to see some half spots where I don't see the whole spot. It goes right off the side of the neck or the arms. Now, once I get it all drawn, I'm going to take an orange crayon and outline everything I just drew in orange crayon. I would say don't outline the eyes and the nose and the mouth. We'll do that with Sharpie marker. But for the body, we're going to do crayons. The spots get outlined in crayon. And you know what? I'm actually going to color the spots in. You could do brown if you wanted as well, because giraffes are all different colors, but they all kind of have a orangey brown spot. In fact, I'm going to do this one with brown because I want to do with orange, and I think the brown looks better. So now, once you get it all done, I'm going to outline the grass in green. I'm not actually coloring anything in but the spots. The spots are the only thing I'm coloring in. Because what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going back and painting in all of this. The crayon just helps the paint stay in the lines because crayons are made of wax and paint doesn't attach to wax. So when we paint in our giraffe, if we paint our giraffe yellow, all these brown spots are going to stay brown. Paint is not going to cover the brown spots. So it ends up looking really cool once we're done. It's called Paint Resist. We did it with a few of our projects, I think. So I did a line for the green grass, but I did not color it in. I did brown for the spots, and I colored those in. That's the only thing that gets colored in. And I did orange for the outline of the body. I'm going to outline the moon in blue because our sky is going to be blue. So now every single thing is outlined in crayon except for your eyes and your mouth and your nose holes. Those are going to get colored in. I'll get you a big Sharpie. This is a thin one just because that's what I had nearby. But with Sharpie. And then we're ready to paint.